is Grandma USA champion, and I am going to be doing, well, it's bonfire night tonight, and we need to get the cats in because they're going to get scared. And I'm not going to make a video just looking at the fireworks because I've tried doing that. I've done a video already, but I'm not going to edit it because I saw no fireworks. But I've heard fireworks before I start filming. So this is a video where I'm going to do this with all these figures, and if you hear fireworks, yeah, bonfire night, happy bonfire night. This is my USA Championship. So let's do this. Right, this is based on the Minion movie, my figures. So got a teddy bear. Oh yeah, teddy bear. We got these guys. Got these guys over here. I've got the same from my Happy Meals. Sorry, their faces I'm weird. You have the girl one from Despicable Me 2. I got one of these, but its eye came out, so I took it back. I got this one. Yeah, I'm doing weird things. This, we have this guy. I got one. I heard one. You have this guy. He's really cool. I just need a firework, guys. Now this one. We have this guy. He claps. We have this guy. Yeah. He's the same. Got a duplicate. Got him. He's got two eyes. Not the same as him. He's got one eye.